Respected Director of Exercises, Father Dr. Joseph Marianus Kuzur, SJ, Respected Assistant Director, Father Dr. Pradeep Kirketa, SJ, our beloved alumni of the 1999-2001 batch. Before going ahead, I would like to invite the wonderful children who presented the tribal dance. Let us appreciate their effort, energy, and a beautiful welcome they have extended with a huge round of applause. I would like to invite Professor Anand Kumar, Head of the Rural Management Program at XISS.
Very good morning to one and all present here. Respected Father Joseph Marianus Kuzur, SG, Director XISS, Assistant Director Father Deep Kirketa, SG, Finance Officer Father Ashok Andulina, Dean Academics Professor Amar Eron Tikka, all faculty members, Head of the programs, senior colleagues, Professor Himadri Sinha, thank you sir for coming, Professor Sanjay Basumali, Professor Ansari who is on way, he will join us at around 11 o'clock today, he is on his way. So I thank you all for coming here. And dear students, a very warm welcome to each and every one of you as we have gathered here on this joyous occasion, the Silver Jubilee reunion of our distinguished alumni who completed their journey through this esteemed institution a quarter century ago. It is truly an honor and privilege to stand before you as the head of the program, the Rural Management, as we celebrate not only the passage of time but the enduring bonds that connect all of us. I want to thank you all for making us proud through your contribution to the development sector with a vision and commitment to bringing change to the society. Many of you have gathered, journeyed from far away to join us today. Your presence filled this hall with your achievement over the last 25 years.
Thank you, sir, for your warm and insightful words and also for introducing the faculty members of RM program. Father, may I request you to kindly address the gathering. I request everyone to join hands together.
Good morning, everybody. Honorable Assistant Director, Dr. Pradeep Kirketa, SJ, Dean Academics, Professor Amar Eron Tikka. I was about to say SJ, but I withhold myself. Other heads of various programs, and very especially Dr. Anand, the head of the Rural Management Program, all the other faculty members, and very especially we have with us Professor Himadri. Let's put our hands together. And Professor Sanjay Basu. Let's put our hands together. And those of ours like Professor persons in whose name we are here today, the Silver Jubilee Badge. You are the chief guests. You are the guests of honor. You are everything today. We'll put our hands together. Whenever the recruiters come to our campus for recruitment, invariably some of them have told me, and I quote, for the director, XISS alumni are doing better than many other alumni who come from other more reputed B schools, unquote. Or hands of you. You make us proud. In the last 25 years or so, of course last 7 years because we are in our Platinum Jubilee year also, but more specifically the last 25 years we have gone from strength to strength. Hats off to you because I am given to understand that you have put in a lot of hard work, you have slogged even in the field, in the camps, and you have achieved what you are today. And therefore that hard work which we demand from our students, we learn from you. So you are big inspiration. Our alumni not only help us with SIP and the recruitment process, but the very fact we remember them inspires us. Therefore your presence, your thought is an inspiration to us. In Hindi I would like to say, remembering you alumni of Silver Jubilee Badge, आपको याद करना हमारे लिए एक एहसास, it's एहसास, it's not only about coming together, it's not about get together, it's not about gathering, it's not about having some conversations, it's much deeper than that, it's much more than that. Irrespective of whether you have informed us or not, you will get a very good welcome over here, and with warmth and enthusiasm, we faculty members and the students are ready to welcome you. With these words, once again, thanks, congratulations. God bless you, God bless XISS. Thank you.
Your address has truly connected with all of us, and we truly appreciate your valuable perspectives.
Respected Father Director, Joseph Mariano Skujur, respected Dean Sir, respected HOP Anand Sir, alumni who have come from far and near, all of you, and then our students, those who are here. I'm extremely happy to say a few words. The first thing, what that came in my mind when I was asked to speak was, just want to give the philosophy of Jubilee. Because you are celebrating 25 years of Jubilee, and therefore I would like to give the philosophy behind it. It will be very helpful to reflect. We also very much connected to the nature, and we also are grateful in a way, and also we strengthen our bond, relationship with nature. And that is the spirituality, eco-spirituality all of us practice wherever we are. With these few words, I would like to again look at our own life, especially as you have completed 25 years after passing up from here in 2021 to 2001. All the time, look back and thank God. Look forward and trust God, and life will be meaningful. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for sharing your vision. Amar Erontica, Dean Academics, XISS.
Especially Himadri sir, Sanjay Basuji, Mahadev Sahuji, and all the faculty members, XISS family, and definitely very distinguished alumni of 1992 to 2001 batch. Many things have changed from your time. In fact, you are the batch who had changed the century from 20th to 21st century, right? You are the batch who has made us proud, definitely. When we see you people, we realize that why our father directors, right from the beginning, have set up this institute. Thank you to all of you for taking out time from your busy schedule. Definitely, this time will become a memorable for you, and whatever the videography, photography, definitely for next 1 year or 2 years, you will keep on looking on those photos and all that. Thank you very much for all of you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your vision and insights. Sir, I am sure that exercises will become university soon because we are already started bringing changes in our curriculum.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में बड़ी जवानी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।
We now move to the felicitation ceremony of the 1999-2001 batch. To conduct this segment, I would like to invite Dr. Rajeshri Verma, Associate Professor, Rural Management Program, XISS.
Good morning everyone present here. I am Rajeshri and on behalf of Rural Management Program, जो आप लोग लिए रूरल डेवलपमेंट हुआ करता था, हमारी तरफ से एक छोटा टोकन ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन और कुछ यादें जिसके साथ हम चाहते हैं कि आप आज एक्साइसेस से जाएं और शायद फिर वापस 25 सालों के बाद अपने 50 इयर्स को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए यहाँ पर आएं. I will be requesting our father director to please join us on stage, our program head to please join us on stage. I had a word with the organizing team earlier कि मैं आपके रोल नंबर के साथ आपको इनवाइट करूंगी, तो जो भी प्रेजेंट होंगे वो आ जाएंगे, जो नहीं है फिर भी उनके नाम हम याद करेंगे और जो शायद आज हमारे बीच अब है ही नहीं उन्हें भी अपने दिल में हम याद कर देंगे. So may I now request roll number 1 Sister Minnie Moon John Roll number 2, Miss Sarvani Bose on stage, please. एक रिक्वेस्ट है, हमारे पास एक रजिस्ट्रेशन शीट है जो शायद कुछ लोगों ने नहीं भरी है. The boy is coming to you. If you haven't filled it, please enter your data there. Roll number 3, Mr. Manish Ranjan. Absent. Roll number 4, Roshni Sahu. Absent. Good, good, this is good. Roll number 5, Devdrat Ghosh. Both सारे absent हैं. Roll number 6, Manish Mitra. Roll number 7, Soma Chattopadhyay. Roll number 8, Sumant Kumar. Roll number 9, Sarita Eka. May we have roll number 10 na? Vikas Singh Patel. Roll number 11, Rajkumar Banra. Absent. 12, Vibha Lalima Kujur. Roll number 13, Jharna Eka. 14, Viswajit Das Gupta. Vishwanath. Roll number 15, Mr. Amit Kumar. Roll 16, Lakshmi Ranjan. Absent. Roll 17, Raja Rajendra Vara. Absent. 18, Mukesh Tiwari. Lata Krishnan. Roll number 20, Devrata Bhuya. Roll number 21, Ajay Kumar Pandey. Rahul Chaturvedi. 23, Father P.K. Satyajit. 24, Ashish Yadav. Indranil Ghosh. 27, Ram Rai Bandra. 28, Shailendra Jarika. Roll number 30, Prabhat Kumar Sinha. अच्छा ये सीआर थे आपके बैच के। रुक जाइए रुक जाइए। Roll number 31, Miss Ruchika Singh. और टीचर्स के पास ये प्रिविलेज कभी कभी रहता है कि किसी को अनड्यू भी हम एडवांटेज देते हैं। वी आर गिविंग एडवांटेज टू रोल नंबर 46, मिस मधु रानी, तो प्लीज जॉइन अस। So the photography team, we will request you to kindly come together for a photograph, please.